Okay, so today we are making taco soup. Okay. So first off, you're going to need 2 pounds of hamburger meat, cooked and browned and stirred. And then you're going to need 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. This has a little bit of sugar in it because we're not super strict. But if you're super strict, you can make your own. Just look it up on Pinterest. I'm sure you'll find something. So we're changing up the recipe a little bit because my mom is severely allergic to tomatoes. So instead of using Rotel, we're using 2 tiny cans of green chilies, but you can use Rotel if you want. So you're going to need 2 tablespoons of cilantro. You could use fresh or dried, but we got tired of it going bad, so we use this. You need a 1.5 cups of sour cream. It's more so to taste, but you know, that's a good base to go off of. 1 bag of cauliflower rice. And 1 box of cream cheese. Okay, so we are going to use 4 cups of liquid in our taco soup, 2 cups of our homemade chicken broth. You can find the video on how to make it. Bone broth, you can find the video on how to make it. I'll put the link down below. You need 1 cup of salsa. This is green salsa without tomatoes. And 1 cup of water. And then, as a garnish, you're going to need a 1/2 cup of cheese. So we are going to add the 2 teaspoons of taco seasoning. It's okay if it goes over.
It's a good thing. It's okay.
Yes, it is a good thing. Well, it's gonna be extra seasoning today. Okay, we're gonna add our 2 little cans of green chilies. That made a weird sound. Okay. Our bone broth is still frozen, but it'll cook in, it'll defrost in there. That looked weird. Our 1 cup of water. Okay. And our cauliflower rice. Okay. And the salsa. Of course, the salsa. A cup of salsa. There we go. Cup of salsa. Okay, so we're gonna put it on the stove until everything is melted and it's all soupy, and then we will add the rest of our ingredients. Put it on medium on the stove, and yeah, we'll add the rest of the ingredients in a minute. Okay, so we're gonna add 1 box of cream cheese. Put it in there, let it melt. Once it's melted, we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients and let it cook about 10 minutes, and you're good. That's all you have to do. This is what it's gonna look like, all cooked and finished. Delicious. Like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you'll know when more videos are out. Yeah, so bye.